Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by saving work and opening Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC. Once there, locate Windows Explorer. This process controls the taskbar. You'll restart it to reload the shell. Right-click Windows Explorer and choose Restart. If Explorer isn't listed, click File, Run New Task, type Explorer, EXE, and press Enter. This immediately reloads the taskbar process and often restores visibility. Make sure you run as the same user. If prompted for permissions, accept them so the shell can reinitialize properly. Once Explorer is back, you inspect Taskbar settings. Open Settings right arrow Personalization right arrow Taskbar to ensure auto-hide isn't hiding it and taskbar elements are enabled. If settings look correct, run System File Checker to repair corruption. Open Elevated PowerShell and run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. These fix damaged components that prevent the taskbar from loading. If problems persist, re-register the taskbar by running the appropriate PowerShell re-registration command to refresh app manifests and shell integration. To finish, test whether your profile causes the issue by creating a new local user. Sign in and check the taskbar. If that works, migrate your files. If not, run an in-place repair upgrade using Windows installation media to keep apps and files while repairing system components. Make sure to back up important data before major repairs. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing restores the taskbar, boot into safe mode to back up and then perform a restore or clean install. It isolates software conflicts and confirms hardware is not at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.